Hey there Uber Eats fans, welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to getting the most out of your Uber Eats experience. Today I am going to show you how to add notes to your Uber Eats order using the website. It's a simple process that ensures your food arrives just the way you like it. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Uber Eats website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, browse the restaurants and select the items you want to order and add notes for each item. Repeat this process for each item if you have multiple special requests. After adding items to your cart, click on Cart. At the top right corner to view your order summary. In order summary, you will see an option at the bottom before subtotal to add a note or add special instructions. Click on the option to open a text box where you can add any specific requests or dietary preferences if you have. For example, you can ask for extra sauce, no onion, or any specific allergies. You can also ask for extra utensils such as spoon. Make sure to be clear and concise with your instructions. Once you have entered your note, click the save. We'll go to checkout. After adding all the necessary notes, review your order one last time to ensure everything is correct. Then proceed to continue to payment and place your order. Your special instructions will be sent to restaurant along with your order details. And that's it. Adding notes to your Uber Eats order on website is quick and easy, making sure your meal is prepared just the way you like it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy eating!